Filing taxes can be overwhelming, especially when navigating deductions, credits, and IRS regulations. Many tax software programs charge high fees, making tax preparation costly for individuals and small business owners. However, using a reliable and affordable tax filing service can simplify the process and help maximize refunds. FreeTaxUSA is a top-rated online tax filing service that offers free federal tax returns and low-cost state filing, making it one of the most budget-friendly tax preparation tools available. Whether you are a W-2 employee, freelancer, self-employed individual, or small business owner, FreeTaxUSA provides a step-by-step guided experience to ensure accurate filing. With built-in IRS assistance, secure e-filing, and refund maximization tool, it's designed to make tax preparation quick, easy, and hassle-free. In this video, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and reasons why FreeTaxUSA is an excellent choice for stress-free tax filing. So for its key features and benefits, first is the free federal tax filing. Unlike other tax software that charges for basic filing, FreeTaxUSA provides completely free federal tax returns regardless of your tax situation. Whether you're claiming dependents, itemizing deductions, or reporting investment income, you can file your federal taxes at no cost. Taxpayers can save money by avoiding unnecessary tax preparation fees, making FreeTaxUSA one of the most cost-effective solutions available. Another key feature is the affordable state tax filing. While federal tax filing is free, state returns are available at a low fixed cost, significantly cheaper than competitors like TurboTax or H&R Block. This ensures that users can file both federal and state taxes without breaking the bank, making tax filing accessible to everyone. Another key feature is the step-by-step guidance for easy filing. The software uses a question and answer format to guide users through their tax returns. It asks simple questions about income, deductions, and credits, and automatically fills in the appropriate tax forms. Even users with no prior tax experience can confidently file their taxes, reducing stress and confusion. Another key feature is the maximum refund guarantee. FreeTaxUSA automatically searches for all eligible tax deductions and credits, ensuring users receive the highest refund possible. If another tax software provides a higher refund amount, FreeTaxUSA will match it. Users can maximize their tax refunds without paying extra fees for premium refund maximization services, which are common in other tax software. Another key feature is the audit assistance and IRS support. In the event of an IRS audit or notice, FreeTaxUSA provides audit assistance to help users understand and respond to the IRS. Users who opt for the deluxe version receive direct access to IRS specialists who can provide additional guidance. Taxpayers can file with confidence, knowing they have support in case of an audit or inquiry from the IRS. Another key feature is the import past tax returns for faster filing. Users can import previous year's tax returns from FreeTaxUSA or other tax software, eliminating the need to re enter information manually. Filing is faster and easier, saving time and reducing errors. So, why is FreeTaxUSA a great choice? FreeTaxUSA is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for an affordable, easy to use, and reliable tax filing solution. Unlike traditional tax software that charges hidden fees for essential features, FreeTaxUSA provides free federal filing and low cost state returns without sacrificing quality. The step by step guidance, refund maximization tools, and audit assistance ensure that users can file accurately and with confidence. One of its biggest advantages is its self employed and small business support, allowing freelancers and business owners to deduct business expenses and reduce their tax liabilities without hiring an expensive accountant. Additionally, its secure e-filing system and fast refund process make it an ideal option for those who want to file taxes quickly and receive their refund as soon as possible. Unlike competitors that try to upsell unnecessary services, Free Tax USA remains transparent and budget friendly, making it a top choice for taxpayers across the US. So if you're looking for a stress-free, accurate, and affordable way to file taxes, Free Tax USA is the perfect solution. So basically, Free Tax USA is one of the best tax filing platforms for individuals, freelancers, and small business owners looking to save money and file taxes efficiently. With free federal filing, affordable state returns, refund maximization, and step by step guidance, it simplifies tax preparation while ensuring accuracy and compliance with IRS regulations. So, if you want to file your taxes easily, maximize your refund, and avoid unnecessary costs, Free Tax USA is the perfect choice. So get started today and take control of your tax filing process. So basically that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.